Hi, welcome to Sparks Toyota. My name is Al Ashworth, and I am one of the sales and leasing consultants here. I would like to take you out on our lot today to show you one of our Sparks certified vehicles. Our certified vehicles include a 7-year or 100,000 mile limited powertrain warranty, as well as 2 years or 30,000 miles of complimentary recommended service. Let's go out and take a look. Here we have a 2015 Toyota 4Runner SR5 Premium. It is a clean Carfax report with only one previous owner and comes equipped with power side mirrors with turn signals, running boards, roof rails, and much more. The 2015 Toyota 4Runner is a rugged body-on-frame SUV that has more off-road capability than almost any rival. This 4Runner has 17-inch, 6-spoke alloy wheels and mud and snow tires with lots of tread left. There's also a full-size spare tire, splash guards, and a low tire pressure warning system for convenience and safety. As you can see, this 4Runner is in great condition. It has auto-off projector beam halogen daytime running headlamps, along with fog lights, a tow hook, heated wipers, and a really nice grille with the iconic Toyota emblem to tie it all together. Under the hood, you have a 6-cylinder, 4.0-liter engine with an automatic transmission. This 4Runner has rear-wheel drive and is equipped with a 23-gallon fuel tank. Let's not forget this 4Runner only has 30,602 miles on it. At the back of the 4Runner, you can see the antenna, the spoiler and the power rear window along with the tow package, large LED brake lights, and sleek chrome badging. Looking to the cargo area, you see that it's very spacious, and the back seats fold down easily for more space as needed. This cargo area also features a power outlet and cargo lights for packing or unpacking at night. This 4Runner even has a very comfortable third-row seating option for carpooling with family and friends. In the second row, you'll notice this 4Runner has been very well taken care of. Passengers can use the fold-down armrest with cup holders and the power outlet, as well as the seat back storage. There is also child safety door locks for peace of mind. The front of the cabin is well appointed with nice metal look interior accents. Drivers and passengers will be very comfortable in the power adjustable and heated leather seating. You have a large console with storage, plenty of cup holders, and a power outlet. This 4Runner is also equipped with a locking glove box, a garage door opener, and door bins. Here are the easy-to-reach controls for the power side mirrors, the power door locks with automatic lock, and the power windows with express up and down. This 4Runner has a very comfortable tilting, telescoping, and leather-wrapped steering wheel with on-wheel controls for the cruise, audio, and Bluetooth features. It's also equipped with a very well-lit instrument cluster. Now here's a feature everyone can enjoy, the tilting and sliding power moonroof. The center stack is home to your entertainment and navigation features and is paired with 8 speakers. This includes your classic AM/FM radio with a CD player. It's MP3, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth compatible, and you can easily connect devices using the USB and auxiliary ports. This advanced system even has voice recognition. You also have large climate controls, and everything that you see is very easy to use. Take a look at this backup camera. It's very clear and has guidelines to make backing up a breeze. Hey, thank you very much for watching. Again, this is a Sparks certified vehicle which includes a 7-year or 100,000 mile limited powertrain warranty, as well as 2 years or 30,000 miles of complimentary recommended service. It also includes a 160-point quality inspection by Toyota certified technicians, a lifetime Sparks Preferred Customer Program membership, a lifetime 10% loyalty parts and service discount, lifetime complimentary rental cars for any service over $400, a lifetime of discounted pickup and delivery for any service work done here at Sparks, lifetime complimentary recall checks and Carfax report, as well as the lifetime vehicle exchange program. We will buy your car anytime. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 888-272-5869 or visit us at sparkstoyota.com. Again, thank you very much.